Yo, trade recap for today. So today I took two trades. I took one break even and one loss. It was a really unfortunate day because I wanted to trade the PM session, but because of some things I wasn't able to, and I missed a nice win off that. So their drawn liquidity was correct in my opinion. Like bullish price eventually did go higher, and then yeah, I had a break even trade which was a long. So yeah, I got break even on that. Then I took another trade on that, which was basically like a re-entry, and then that was a loss. So ended the AM session in or with a loss there. And then I wanted to trade the PM session. I was also allowed to because of my with my rules. But yeah, the PM session couldn't be on there. And then I was back on the charts in the PM session on my phone actually, and I was checking out a trade. And I said to myself, knowing that this is gonna play out, I wasn't worried about it. But then I looked at it a few minutes after, like 20 minutes after, and yeah, it ran to the TP eventually. So that's just really unfortunate. Like now my feelings or my emotions are like I don't really care now anymore. But really, when I saw this, like I was really, I can't really describe the emotion. Don't know what the emotion is, but like angry. Not really angry, but like things combined, like sad, angry, like pissed, like all those things basically combined. I wasn't actually really, I was just no real emotion, like just like it was just emotion with like, oh, why am I getting this? Like I've been on the charts the entire AM session, and I've like it's not really like you can look at this now and it doesn't really look like a big deal, but I've had this now with just this challenge account. I've had this like 10 times where I was on the charts when I should be on the charts all the time, and then there was like a few periods or small moments, just a few minutes or just yeah, in this case like a whole session, but a few minutes or yeah, now in this case whole session, that I wasn't on the charts, and then I missed a setup and it were all wins. Like it's really just like I'm really thinking like why, like what's God, what is the universe waiting for me? Like what like what do I need to do? Am I not ready? Am I like I'm really thinking about it. It can go really far. It can go really deep, but that's just what I'm thinking. Yeah, that trade. So I took two wins. What am I saying? Two trades today. I'm gonna see if I can find them here. So yeah, was in this one. So we were above second stage distribution. We had a turtle soup, and I see this failure close below this candle on the 2 minute time frame, same as the inversion. It failed to close below this candle, close above with this candle. That was my entry, breaking even at the black line, and then from there, once this gets hit, I put my stop to break even, and then my first TP where I took 75% off, that would be here, but you can see from there we hit the high and we retraced lower back into this. This didn't hit TP after, so nothing about that. But eventually, that was right here where I took the trade. It's on a 1 minute. Yeah, here. Yeah, this was a retracement lower. I got stopped to break even here, and then there was a re-entry to got equal lows. This looks like really zoomed in. If you never have seen my trades before and you see this now for the first time, oh, what are you trading? Like this is such small lows. Like I know what I'm looking for with this, and this should work. This should at least be break even trade, but really didn't get it. Just an instant stop. There was no reason for me to for to be expecting this. Like it looked really bullish. Like there was no reason to be looking for lower price. So you should just trade through this high and then go for yeah, maybe the TP, but at least go for the break even. Fortunately, a full loss on this, and that was the AM session, and then the PM session. I wasn't looking at the charts like just on my phone a few times, but not no real trading. PM session I would be on a chart in 13.15, so that'll be right here. There was no stop in here, traded lower, or I'll be break even on here. I don't even know. Trade lower, and then I saw this setup. There was nothing else in here, and then there was this setup still in the right time. We take out the sell side below this swing low, which is on the 2 minute. Below this swing low, then we had a similar 2 minute SIBI, which we use as an inversion, or is an inversion once we close above, which we do on this candle. You can see we close above, That would have been my entry. My TP would be a first a 1 and 2 because this is outside of 1 and 3 RR. That's a stage of accumulation, so it would be a fixed 1 and 2. You can see that would be hit, and then I would take a full TP off at 1508, which is right here. So that'll be like around the 1 and 2, same 1 and 2, but it would be a nice W. Like nothing too crazy. I would be up 200 on a day, nothing too crazy, but just the emotion that I had with this trade today was like way more than normal. Like it's not even that crazy of, oh, I guess I would have gotten so much profit out of this, or like it's just like, am I not ready? Or that's the only thing that I'm actually thinking about. Like, what is it that I still need to do before I can actually get these trades? Like, what am I waiting for? What do I need to wait for? What do I need to do? Like, I'm really thinking about that, and that's the feeling that that gets with it. Like, it's not getting like, oh, I want to revenge trade now. I want to get the profit. Like, no thinking about that. It's just, yeah, what I said. Just, am I not ready? That's the thing what I'm talking about, or thinking about. And yeah, this was just pretty emotional today, I would say. Yeah, nothing, as I said, again, I didn't want to revenge trade. I didn't want to break my rules or anything. It's just, I was just emotional, just emotional, more emotional than normal. And just because of, yeah, what I just said. Yeah, that would be the trade recap. That was the Monday. The week just began, so there will be a lot more opportunity this week. This is the Monday. We had high impact folder news on this Monday, so it was a nice Monday. Also on Monday in NFP. ICT says that those are most of the time nice to trade, and yeah, I would say this is like a pretty, this be like a pretty, this pretty decent day. Nothing too bad with price action, just pretty good price action, I would say overall. And then what else? Yeah, for the rest of this week, Tuesday I will be trading this. Wednesday I will be trading this. We have Powell speaking, so I will be trading after Powell comes on. And then Thursday I won't be trading this because of OPEC meetings and the day before NFP. Yeah, that'll be the trade recap. Didn't miss anything. Yeah, let's see where the account is now at. So took one loss, nothing too crazy. It took like a $250 loss. And I was up with $360 around the break-even point, which is 50K. So you can see here, it took a $303 loss, which I'm maxed allowed to lose $285, but there was a break-even trade as well. Like it can go a bit outside of this, $15, nothing too bad, I would say. That's just all right. Didn't break any rules. How it's looking like now, it's just looking healthy. Yeah, should be a good trading week. This will be the trade recap. Thank you for watching. See you.